What is up, you guys? I cannot believe my eyes what I'm seeing right now. You know, just the other day I was thinking that you can't really predict what the next Valve update is going to be. And here we freaking are with Prime being removed and all the Prime cases being moved to the rare drop pool. Of course, all the non-Prime cases are now on the first page of the store. So my first move was obviously to go and buy Spectrum 2 cases, because I mean, that just makes sense to me. It's the butterfly case and now they're all in the rare drop pool. God. So now the CS20 case with the classic knife, the Horizon, which is not unique, Spectrum 2 with the butterfly and all the others, Gamma 2 with the OG knives in the Gamma finishes, Chroma 3 Chroma finishes, Revolver with OG finishes for knives. All those knives are now in the rare drop pool, so I expect that not only the cases but also the knives are gonna go ballistic after this. This is really important and it's going to have a huge freaking impact on everything. Just take a look at the Operation Breakout case. Look at this. 262 euros by order. Yesterday it was 2 euros, god damn it. Right now it's just going insane because the butterfly now is exclusive to the rare drop pool. Only a few knives are not in the rare drop pool, and those are the Horizon knives in OG finishes, in the Danger Zone case, and also the Horizon knives in the Chroma finishes, and also the Shattered Web knives. Those are the only 3 set of knives that we have available in the current drop pool. I'm pretty sure this is gonna lead to the Butterfly Vanilla just leaving the Steam store because it's just gonna be too expensive to be here anymore. And these guys should cancel their orders. I don't believe this is a good price anymore. The quantity is not that big, and remember, this is supposed to be the same rarity as the Bravo case now. Yeah, that's insane. It's actually interesting that the clutch case was one of the items that went up as well, because it was not moved to any other pool, it just stayed in the Prime one. That's weird to me. Anyway, besides that little update, now players with non-Prime accounts can no longer obtain Prime through playing, they have to buy it. And if you wanna buy it, it will cost you 12.75 euros or like $15. So yeah, they're basically putting a paywall and going back to what CSGO was before the free-to-play update. Kind of. People can still play it, but they're gonna play with each other and separate the player base in 2 groups, the free-to-play one and not free-to-play one. That might be a little better for us because it will solve a part of the cheater problem. So no more free-to-play cheaters, I guess. I mean, there will still be cheaters who risk Prime accounts as there were before, but I hope a lot less. By the way, on these graphs, I do expect to see some kind of fall. Like, I don't believe that it's gonna go immediately to the right or immediately up after this. I think it will fall a little bit. I don't think it's gonna go to the point where it was before, not even close, but still it will fall a little bit. Anyway, thank you for watching this little update. I'm gonna go and edit it real quick so I can upload it on YouTube. Alright. Have a nice day. See ya.